Yung cash value, pwede bang withdrawin? Di ba yan loan? So this is a very good question by Jaja kasi nga sa isang whole life policy, cash value yung tawag dun sa pera, sa plan mo, di ba? Kapag VUL account value. So tama siya. Kapag nag-withdraw ka partially sa cash value mo, magiging loan yun. Alright? Tapos yung loan na yun, subject to interest rates, AIA 9% per year. Sa different companies, hindi ko alam kung magkano. Alright? So tama, magiging loan yun. Now, I think I was mentioning dito sa isang whole life plan namin sa Max Protect, yung pure insurance lang, walang investment. Meron kami ganung plan. Alright, whole life plan siya. Ang sabi ko, okay, maghulog ka up to age 65 and then pagdating ng age 65, you have the option to withdraw in full yung cash value. Now, the cash value, it will be probably lower than what you paid for over the past few years. Kunyari ako 38, nagulog ako ng hanggang age 65, insured ako ng 1 million. Let's say yung insurance ko na kailangan kong bayaran, let's say just, let's say 30,000, alright, or less than. Alright, naghulog ako hanggang doon, and then, pagdating na 65 or 70 or 75, I'm retiring, I can withdraw kung ano man yung cash value. Now, meron mga dividends, although not guaranteed, pwede ko rin withdrawin yon. So, if you withdraw in full, terminated na yung plan, hindi ka na insured. No? Ganun sa VUL, ganun sa whole life. No, pero may pera ka na naipon na parang you can add to your retirement money. So that's a very good game plan. Instead of getting term insurance, you can get a whole life policy. And then pagdating ng retirement, kung ano man yung naipon na cash value, although it may be lower than what you paid for, pwede mong magamit yun. At least hindi tahapon lahat ng binayad mo. Di ba pag bumili ka ng car insurance or ng HMO, pag hindi mo nagamit, wala na yun, wala nang balik. Di ba? Wala nang ipon. So probably there are some people na gusto nila may balik. Alright? So kung long term ka naman magbabayad, alam mo naman magbabayad ka hanggang mag-retire ka, I think mas bagay sa'yo yung whole life insurance kaysa term insurance.